Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. This is Mikey, and today we're now here at World Trade Center for the Manila International Auto Show. So let's go!
Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it.
So we're now here at World Trade Center and it's Manila International Auto Show 2025. So let's go check out yung mga bagong cars ng mga manufacturers ngayon. So let's go! Dito pagpasok pala natin, we're seeing the MG cars. So let's check out their booth. We're halfway through sa pag-ikot natin dito sa World Trade Center. Grabe, maraming bagong brands na nandito, mga new players showcasing hybrid and full EV cars. So ang dami nila. So exciting times ahead. Nag-iba na rin ang mga production ng cars ngayon, focusing on hybrid and electric vehicles. So ikot pa tayo.
Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
It's been a very busy day here at World Trade Center for the Manila International Auto Show. There's a lot of players launching their cars here at MIAS, mostly hybrid and electric vehicles. So it's a game changer now in the car industry. Most of the cars now are being released as hybrid or full electric vehicles. Marami, from small sedans, vans, SUVs. Ayan, nandito, hybrid and electric sila. I think this is it. This is the future of Philippine automotive. We're going electric. So we're going full electric or hybrid. So ayan, ang gaganda pa rin kahit naman mga electric vehicles sila, hybrid vehicles sila. They still look nice. Ang ganda. Very modern. So masaya. It was nice seeing these cars. Will be available soon in the market. And pili na lang kayo. There's a lot of new players on the market, mostly China brands. And I think they're here to stay. And this is the future of cars here in the Philippines na din. This is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey for Carbon Media. Thank you for watching. Peace!